Welcome to the evolution of circular stapling. In 1977, autosuture revolutionized colorectal surgery with the introduction of the reusable EEA circular stapler. For the first time in the United States, patients with low rectal cancers had an alternative to a permanent colostomy. In 1981, autosuture introduced the first disposable EEA circular stapler. This product simplified the user experience by providing a ready-to-use option right out of the package with minimal assembly required. Also, in 1981, autosuture launched the first curved disposable EEA stapler. This product improved access and reach for the colorectal surgeon, further enhancing the usability of the product. The premium curved EEA stapler was launched in 1988 with additional enhancements over the curved EEA stapler, including welded bodies, a stronger knife, and a pop-on anvil. In 1995, autosuture further enhanced the circular stapler by developing the tilt-top anvil. This innovative feature decreased the effective cross-section of the device when removing it from the newly created anastomosis. In 2007, autosuture once again captures the brass ring of circular stapling with the launch of the DST series EEA staplers. The DST series EEA staplers incorporate the first choice of staple height, revolutionary directional stapling technology, and the first ever anvil designed for transoral delivery. It also delivers an innovative cutting system, the largest lumens available, and a host of ergonomic and ease of use features. The DST series EEA is the ultimate circular stapler.